The Bobbili Venugopalaswamy Temple is a famous Hindu temple located in Bobbili, a town in the Vizianagaram district of Andhra Pradesh, India. The temple is dedicated to Lord Krishna, specifically in his Venugopala avatar, which depicts him playing the flute. The Bobbili Venugopalaswamy Temple is not only a religious site, but also serves as a hub for various cultural and social activities, especially during festivals like Krishna Janmashtami, when it sees a large influx of devotees and visitors. Deeply religious, the royal family of Bobbili worshipped Venugopalaswamy ever since the kingdom of Bobbili was founded. After the devastating war which wiped out most of the Bobbili fort, the royal descendant Chinna Ranga Rao took over the reins of Bobbili and had a new temple constructed for the ancient idol recovered from the ruins. It is located close to the royal residence and is the most worshipped temple in Bobbili. Raja Sarvagna Kumar Ranga Rao, RSRK Ranga Rao, was a prominent figure in Indian politics and a member of the royal family of Bobbili. He was born on February 27, 1927 into the royal family of Bobbili, which has a rich history and legacy in the region. Ranga Rao was not only a scion of the royal family, but also a distinguished politician. He played a significant role in the political landscape of Andhra Pradesh. He served as a member of the Indian National Congress Party and held various positions in both state and central governments. RSRK Ranga Rao was also known for his efforts in promoting education, healthcare, and social welfare in his constituency and beyond. He was widely respected for his commitment to the welfare of his people and for his efforts in bringing about development and progress in the region. Throughout his life, Ranga Rao remained deeply connected to his roots in Bobbili and worked tirelessly for the betterment of his community. He left behind a lasting legacy of service and dedication to the people he served.